Hi, good morning all. How are you? I hope all are fine. You are staying safe at home? How do you do? Have you had a breakfast? Okay, you have to learn what we taught in the previous class. Okay, have you read your textbook? Okay, then now let's start our first chapter, computer memory and storage devices. Computer memory and storage devices. Today's topic, digital versatile disk, DVD. All of you hear about DVD? That is digital versatile disk. A digital versatile disk is popularly known as DVD. A digital versatile disk is popularly known as DVD. See, this is a DVD, digital versatile disk. It looked like a CD, but the quality of audio video saved on a DVD is better quality. It looked like a CD. DVD looked like a CD. The quality of DVD audio and video saved on a DVD is better quality. Audio video better quality. It is also has much larger storage capacity and is stronger than CD. It is also has a much larger storage capacity and is stronger than a CD. It can store up to 4.7 GB data. DVD store up to 4.7 GB data. CD storage capacity 700 MB. DVD 4.7 GB data. Two-layer DVD hold double the amount of data. Two-layer DVD hold double the amount of data. Next, Blu-ray disc. See, Blu-ray disc, blue color. If you see, blue color, Blu-ray disc. Blu-ray is the latest among the storage discs. It's the latest disc. Like Blu-ray disc is the latest among the storage disc and is the most superior of all. It has a large storage capacity of 25 GB. See, 25 GB, 25 gigabyte. It has large storage capacity up to 25 GB. We cannot run a Blu-ray disc in a CD-ROM player. We cannot run a Blu-ray disc in a CD-ROM player. We need a Blu-ray player to play a Blu-ray disc. We need a Blu-ray player to play Blu-ray disc. Next, USB drive. A USB drive or flash drive is a small and compact storage. See, USB drive, pen drive, all of you know about pen drive. A USB drive or flash drive is a small and compact storage device that can store a huge amount of data. Storage capacity 4 GB to 32 GB. Pen drive, USB drive, storage capacity 4 GB to 32 GB, 4 gigabytes to 32 gigabytes. It is used by simply inserting into USB port of the computer. It is also a highly durable device and keep the data safe and secure. Data keeps safe and secure. Safe and secure. Note the point. USB drive is commonly known as a pen drive or a thumb drive. USB drive is commonly known as pen drive or thumb drive. Next, recap corner. Computer memory is that part of the computer which stores data. Computer memory is that part of the computer which stores data. Primary memory is the main memory of the computer. Primary memory is the main memory of the computer. ROM contains permanent instruction needed by the computer to boot. ROM contains permanent instructions needed by the computer to boot. RAM is used by the computer to temporarily store the current data. RAM is used by the computer to temporarily store the current data. We use secondary memory to store data permanently. We use secondary memory to store data permanently. Some examples of secondary storage devices are hard disk, CD, DVD and USB. Some example of secondary data storage devices are hard disk, CD, DVD and USB. I think all of you understood the first chapter. Okay, now let's move to the worksheet section. Fill in the blanks. Which of the following storage devices has the maximum storage capacity? Which of the following storage devices has the maximum storage capacity? Second question, dash is the most important data storage device. Dash is the most important data storage device. Discuss how is primary memory different from secondary memory? How is primary memory different from secondary memory? All of you read your textbook 5 times. Okay, 5 times read. Then you have to do worksheet just provided by me. After completing the worksheet, you have to send your computer teacher. If you have any doubt, you could contact your computer teacher through WhatsApp or Google Meet. You can submit on time. Thank you. Have a nice day.